Let's talk about the two type of brokers I have discussed you in the past. May tinatawag tayong non-market maker at mga market maker. So ano bang broker ang dapat mong piliin at paano malalaman kung ang broker na to ay market maker or non-market maker? So let's differentiate. Ang market maker po, here's the definition. Order execution. Okay, pagdating sa order execution po, market maker brokers function as go-between for buyers and sellers. They make trading easier by purchasing assets from sellers and selling them to purchasers. They essentially make a market by supplying liquidity. So ganito lang yan, parang sila lang yung gitna. Kapag may nag-sell, yung binili nila na yun from the seller, ibebenta naman nila from another buyer. That's how they do it. Nagma-markup lang sila. That's the market maker. Pagdating naman sa bid-ask spread nila, market makers earn from a bid-ask spread. They buy at a lower price. So ang gagawin nila sa mga trader, pag may mga nagbebentang seller, bibilhin nila yun ng mababang halaga. Okay? At